Welcome to Kids Corner, where the fun is always here.
Hi friends! Today we're going to explore the amazing world of insects and bugs. Some fly, some crawl, and all of them are super interesting. Let's meet awesome insects and bugs together. Ready? Let's go! Ants are strong little workers. They live in big colonies and never stop moving. Butterflies start as caterpillars and turn into colorful flying insects. It's called metamorphosis. Rainbow bee. Bees buzz from flower to flower, collecting nectar. They make yummy honey and help plants grow. Ladybug. Ladybugs are red with black spots. They help farmers by eating plant-eating bugs. Spider. Wait, spiders aren't insects. They have 8 legs. They spin webs and catch bugs for dinner. Cockroach. Cockroaches are tough bugs that can live almost anywhere, even without food for weeks. Housefly. Houseflies love trash and dirty places. They can spread germs, so always cover your food. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers have long legs and love to jump really high. Cricket. Crickets make music by rubbing their wings. Listen, can you hear them chirping? Mosquito. Mosquitoes bite and suck blood. They love warm weather and still water. Caterpillar. Before butterflies fly, they crawl. Caterpillars eat leaves and grow bigger every day. Moth. Moths come out at night and are attracted to lights. Some are fluffy and beautiful like butterflies. Termite. Termites love chewing wood. They build secret tunnels and live in giant colonies. Carpenter bee. These bees are big and shiny. They make little holes in wood to lay eggs. Fire ant. Fire ants sting and bite. They build sandy hills in the ground. Stink bugs release a stinky smell to protect themselves. Leaf insect. Leaf insects are masters of disguise. They look just like leaves. Wasp. Wasps can sting and build nests from paper-like material. June bug. June bugs are big, round beetles that fly around lights in summer. Glowworm. Some insects glow in the dark. Glowworms light up to attract mates. Leafcutter ant. These ants cut leaves and carry them home to grow special fungus for food. Wow! That was amazing insects and bugs. They may be small, but they do big jobs in our world. Which one was your favorite?
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment and share.